catch small process fires and extinguish them. It's very easy to integrate into any industrial process. So the system is set up for 5 different zones. Now, in each zone, you can have up to 4 detectors, 4 solenoids, and 4 field manual push buttons for water release. So one of the differences between this system and a true fire suppression system is this is generally supplied with domestic water, your just potable water supply into your building. This allows you to have the system installed without having first responders every time you have a small fire. So a further explanation of how these detectors work is the fact that they are always on duty. They are always watching or monitoring the area. It's maintenance friendly. So if you were to do any work on your line, you needed to do some welding, cutting, anything like that for maintenance, you could simply go over to the zone that you were performing the work in and simply bypass it.